Hi everyone. Hope you are doing well. If you didn't see my previous video, just click the link in the description video. Today we will talk about gut flora. Yes. Digestive tracts, your gut flora or gut microbiota are the microorganisms including bacteria, archaea and fungi that live in the digestive tracts of humans. The gastrointestinal metagenome is the aggregate of all the genomes of gut microbiota. The gut flora is the main location of human microbiota. The gut flora community plays a direct role in defending against pathogens by fully colonizing the space, making use of all available nutrients, and by secreting compounds that kill or inhibit unwelcome organisms. Disruption of the gut flora allows competing organisms like Clostridium difficile to become established that otherwise are kept in abeyance. Many chronic and autoimmune diseases have also been linked to a microbiotic imbalance. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that have been linked with a wide range of health benefits, including a stronger immune system, a healthier gut. A macrobiotic diet can help balance your digestive system. Yogurt and kefir are one of the best sources of probiotics. Certain foods might be more beneficial for the gut than others. Among those foods? Garlic. It's a cheap and powerful way to enhance your microbiotic imbalance. Do not take too much garlic if you are taking medications for high blood pressure. Use it as a pill for more benefits, so you will not have bad breath. If you can't swallow it, split it on 2 or 3 pieces. Also take it on an empty stomach for good result. If you can't, there a link in video description how to get a garlic supplement. Garlic actually promotes the growth of friendly bacteria in the gut, and prevents disease-promoting bacteria from growing at the same time. Some vitamins and minerals like vitamins D, zinc and vitamin C deficiency has been linked to increased risk or severity of viral infections, including HIV and COVID-19. In general, vitamin D functions to activate the innate and dampen the adaptive immune systems with antibacterial, antiviral and anti-inflammatory effects. Deficiency has been linked to increased risk or severity of viral infections, including HIV and COVID-19. Subscribe to our channel in order to see our video about how you can get more zinc in your diet and more. Zinc and immune system. Impaired immune function in people with zinc deficiency can lead to the development of respiratory, gastrointestinal, or other infections, like pneumonia. The levels of inflammatory cytokines in blood plasma are affected by zinc deficiency, and zinc supplementation produces a dose-dependent response in the level of these cytokines. During inflammation, there is an increased cellular demand for zinc, and impaired zinc homeostasis from zinc deficiency is associated with chronic inflammation. Vitamin C is required for the functioning of several enzymes and is important for immune system function. It also functions as an antioxidant. Apple cider vinegar is not just used for salad dressings and the likes. Consumption of apple cider vinegar lowers cholesterol, reduces blood pressure, increases metabolism, has probiotics which are good for the gut, etc. It's generally accepted as safe to consume a small amount of apple cider vinegar. Dilute it with water. At the last but not least, drink water, and drink more water. Please subscribe to our channel to get more video about how never to be sick again. Share it with your family and friends.